Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here today. I'm just going to show you today's install. Now you'll probably notice that this is a Mini. I believe it's a coupe, and we've also got one for the Mini Countryman, so obviously the events. Now we have got the older series of the system on our YouTube channel. This is the latest version, and this is a game changer, guys. This now here is now in MPH. It does have the option to have KPH, but also if you've not noticed, these systems are always catered for your left-hand drive cars or cars which are basically have the KPH. You can change it. This is the Android Auto, by the way. I'm just going to show you how to change the KPH and MPH, just to show you that it does have it. It does have this nice new interface now. So if you go into there, go into car settings, and if you go into, let's have a little look. Might be that one, sorry. Vehicle computer, car status. So that's slow. My engineers just showed me where to find that, but it's in one of these settings here. Sorry about this, guys. My engineers just showed me this before I got into the car, but obviously I'm looking to try and find it now. Second display. Well, you can see what's got it anyway. It's got all these types of different things on the computers. Oh, here you go, units. Here we go, guys. MPH, and it's also got 1 second, KMH and the MPH there. So there you go, game changer, lovely jubbly. Okay, just going back to the system itself. Sorry, it took me a little bit of a while to find that. It is a brand new unit. I've not had time much to play around with it. As you can see, it's got this nice new interface here. Google Maps is already pre-installed. You can change things across here like that. 1 second. See, it's nice, and if I get the screen right, it's really fast and responsive. It does come with an 8-core processor. As you can see, it's got all these here. Okay, let's just go back into what it's got. As you can see, it's got your navigation there. It's got like a little car computer information here there. It's got your music there and your phone link, which will show you your CarPlay and Android Auto. This today we've got it linked to an Android phone. As you can see, it's Android Auto and how it looks. CarPlay have a different interface there, but as I say, this is what you can see here. See, it's nice, quick and responsive. Just going back onto here, there's your Google Play Store, so if you wanted to download any applications like Netflix, YouTube and all that type of stuff, you can also do that onto there too. Let's have a little look. You got your Bluetooth there, which also does music streaming. It's got full phone book support. As you can see, it's uploading loads of phone numbers from a phone. As you can see there, don't want to show you what numbers, it's a bit personal to our phone. Got all your applications here, which is similar to that one. That will take you into all the apps that are on the system itself. As I showed you, I've showed you that one before. And also you can play videos and put your albums onto a USB pen. Sound effects. This is where your looks like your DSP sound center is built into there, which you can obviously change. So guys, let me just turn the engine on. Also, you can see this nice little ambient lighting down there that also matches the car too. Systems always are better when your car is running, because it does use a hell of a lot of power, but obviously if your car's on not with full ignition, it will close down after a few seconds, which I showed you. That's the DAB radio app. That's your DAB radio, which we fitted today, which is an offline version of the DAB. That's $39.99 to add that too. As you can see, you can get all your DAB radio stations there too. Let me go back to this one here. I say there's your phone. Going back onto this one which we were looking at before. This is your DSP sound processor, which looks really nice. The graphics on this are quite amazing, to be honest. Wait, you look at that there. Pro mode, music mode. You have all these here. So this system has really come on since this update. And also there's obviously some information there. Let's go back onto, so you got these little icons here for your fuel temperature, seatbelt warning lights and stuff like that. There's your music. Let's have a little look. There's nothing on there because I've got a USB pen. DVR camera, you can add a front facing collision camera if you want. We haven't put one in today. Just to let you know, this system here comes with this big frame which your vents go into. So all this frame that you see, the gloss black, all this lighting around here, this basically works. This comes as a whole unit, so obviously you get that too. use the original hazard button, which pops into the top there, so you can hear it clicking in the background. Okay, there's your DAB radio app. There's also got the FM/AM radio app on there too, which comes as standard. There's your Netflix on there too, which I think we've put on for the customer. I say that does need an internet connection. Google Assist there, so if you did want to speak to it, you could do this, and there you go. You can see the Google Assist on there. It needs to be online, so it needs to basically get an internet connection to work with that, but obviously it will work if you've got no internet connection. Do this rundown here, gives you a nice little navigation bar of being able to change your music, your sound, and your Bluetooth volume, your navigation volume, your brightness. That can be changed. This here is obviously little shortcuts to like Bluetooth, taking you onto the Bluetooth menu. There's your Wi-Fi 2. You can click to Wi-Fi and connect it to your hotspot at your phone down here. A few little settings for general. You can have many languages on there. You can see all these languages here. You can add more to them if you want. So there's your language settings there too. Radio area navigation apps. So if you've got any maps on there, so if you download Waze, you can assign it to the home page too. Let's have a little look. YouTube, Waze settings. See how quick it is. Lovely. It's dead responsive. That's that there. The volume. It's like customise the sound settings. Camera, you can stick a reverse camera on. Customer hasn't gone for that today, so I can move that around like that there to my finger system. It's our latest Android 13, comes with the Qualcomm processor, which is one of the top processors you can get in this industry, and this is obviously detrimental to how the system acts and performs. There's a lot of cheaper variants out there which basically the processors are really poor, and obviously you get a lot of lag. These are, as you can see, it's very fluid and responsive. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I don't think much more I can show you. I've been into there. There's your YouTube app. There's your browser if you want to go and do a bit of internet shopping on looking for Iceboxauto products. So I think that's it. Yeah, hope you liked the video, guys. Lovely units. I reckon it's probably one of the smartest ones we've got on the website in terms of the graphics and stuff like that. Also, just to let you know, you can't see out of this shot, but just down below you get a little silver panel. Let me just see if I can just point it down. This panel down here. One second. Can't show you guys. See this panel? This panel down here. This comes in two different colours. It comes with a black version, which is your car's got the black panel, and also comes in silver. Now, they are different shapes depending on what version of your car you've got. So just be mindful that you can't just put the black version into the car that got the original silver one. But these have buttons down here which incorporate into the system on here. Well, so there's your home button on the home page. There's your music one, and you can press that and it'll take you back onto a certain screen. And you get a little volume button which you can't see under the video, which obviously changes it around. Yep, okay, so hope you liked the video, guys, and I hope to see you soon. And we put the link down below in the description, all our contact details, and if you got any questions, give us a shout. Okay, take care, bye bye.